Hi everybody, today I will show you how to add video to WooCommerce product page. So let's just begin. Alright, so now you can see here that we are inside our WooCommerce store. Okay, so let's just have a look at our store first. Okay, and as you can see here that in our store we just simply have a single product. Okay, so we'll just go back to our dashboard. So now we will learn how can we add the product video, okay, to the product page. So first of all, you have to install a plugin. So just click on the plugin and add new. You have to install a plugin named WPC product video. WPC product videos for WooCommerce. So you just have to install this. Alright, so the plugin is installed. So now I just have to activate this. So the plugin is activated. So now what I need to do, I just have to go to the products of our WooCommerce. So all products. So as you can see the products here, I only have a single product. So if you just want to add the video in existed products, what you need to do, just click on the view. Alright. Now, as you can see the product here with the gallery images, you just have to click on the edit product. Alright, so as you can see the product in the editor. So now what I need to do, you can simply click on the product image or any image from the gallery. So I would simply click on the product image. Okay. So in every image, now you would have an option of WPC product video. So now you can simply add the product link to your video. So I would simply paste a link here. Okay. Set the product image, update the product. Alright, so let's just view the product again. And when I just click on the play button, it would actually play the video here.
Hi there, this is the project video of the
So this is how you can add the product video to existing product. But if you want to add the product video to new products, so what we need to do, you just hover over the new, and I want to create a new product. So I will click on the product. And we would be into the editor to create the new product. Okay, so I would write down demo product. I will simply add the description, price. Okay, and you can also add the short description of your product, but I am skipping this right now, so I will simply add the product image. Okay, so I will simply choose this image for the product image. And I can also choose the gallery here. So I would actually go with these images to the gallery. So if I want to add the video to the new product, I can simply click on any picture in the gallery or the product image. So I just have to click on the product image. So if I just want to add the video to any other image, I will simply click on that image, and then I just have to add the video link to that image. Set the product image. I have to publish this. Alright, so now let's click on the view product. And now you can see that you will be able to see the video here.
Hi there,
So this is how we can add the video to the WooCommerce product page. And this is all for this video. If you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.